In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads custom audience segments. Custom audience segments let you tell Google exactly who you want to reach based on interests, search intent, websites they visit, or apps they use. Used well, they help you serve more relevant ads, improve performance, and reduce wasted spend. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface so you can get to the right place quickly and confidently. Start by opening Google Ads in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the permissions needed to manage audiences. If you work across multiple accounts, double-check the account switcher so you don't build segments in the wrong place. A stable connection and a supported browser will also make the navigation smoother. Once your Google Ads overview loads, look toward the upper navigation for the Tools and Settings icon, the little wrench. Click it to open the full set of administrative and planning options. This menu is where Google groups many of the resources you share across campaigns, so it's the gateway to audience controls. From the menu that appears, find the Shared Library section. Click Shared Library to open the area that houses reusable assets like audiences. Think of Shared Library as your central shelf for items you'll use more than once across campaigns and ad groups. Inside the Shared Library, choose Audience Manager. This is the hub where all your audience solutions live, including your data segments, remarketing lists, and custom segments. It's a good place to review what already exists, spot gaps, and keep your naming conventions tidy. In Audience Manager, head to the section dedicated to custom segments, then click the plus icon to start a new one. That plus button is your starting line for building a fresh segment tailored to your strategy. Before you proceed, take a moment to plan a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize its purpose later. Also, consider the intent behind the segment. Are you aiming to capture users actively searching for your solution, or to reach people who show ongoing interest in your category? After you click the plus icon, you'll land on a builder where you can define who belongs in your segment using signals such as search terms, interests, URLs, people browse, or relevant apps. You'll also see estimates to gauge potential reach. Keep relevance tight enough to stay focused, but not so narrow that delivery becomes difficult. Always align your choices with Google Ads policies and your own privacy standards, especially if you work with first-party data. That's it. You've reached the exact place where custom audience segments are created, with everything ready for you to define and refine your ideal audience.